Hello everyone and welcome to a very exciting day today. It's actually very sunny, so I'm going to get outside and use my brand new jet wash and garden hose, which I've very kindly been sent. So I'm going to unbox all that with you, show you my garden, show you the before, afters and just blitz it all. I can't wait. I only did the jet washing literally at the end of summer last year, but for some reason it's absolutely green, black, disgusting again. Well, it's because it's just pissed it down all winter basically. So I'm going to do it now and just have the patio and all the garden looking immaculate, ready for spring 2025. Look how lovely my little spring plants are. I bought these yesterday and there was no yellow on them, and then now overnight the daffodils have come out. Was you enjoying the sun? Now it's sunny, they all want to get a bit of sun. So this is the current state of the patio. It definitely needs a good jet wash. So yeah, we're gonna tackle the jet washing, do all this patio. Now, Cosmo also wants to join me whilst I tell you that I've been sent these two parcels by GIRAFFETOOLS, and I'm going to link their website for you guys so you can have a look. This is their grandfalls pressure washer, and then I've also been sent their garden hose reel as well, which is 30 metres long. And basically you can put these up on the walls, or I'm actually not going to put them straight up, I'm going to move them around so that I can put them in different places, because I haven't quite worked out where I'm going to actually attach them to the wall yet. But they can be in the garages, they can be in the gardens. Sorry, I just hit the dog. But wherever you want to attach these to, you can then put them on the wall, and then the hose will reach really far basically to whatever you want to clean. So this is the pressure washer. I'm going to get this out so I can jet wash my patio. Comes with like a bracket and screws to, like say, fix it on the wall. It's got the end for the actual jet washing. It also comes with a little bottle that you can fill up with some liquid so that you can also wash like a car as well. This is the attachment that attaches to the water and then to the machine. This looks amazing. Massive. Right, fix that to the water supply, check that's working, yep. Like so. Plug that in. As you can see, the dirt and grime is coming up absolutely amazing. It's super satisfying to watch and to do, to be fair. I do find jet washing hard work. I was absolutely knackered after doing this whole thing, I'm not going to lie, but I'm just going to show you the whole process and you can see for yourself how satisfying it is to do. When I last actually did my patio, I didn't actually do this strip because I couldn't be arsed. I'd run out of energy at that point. So this stuff has actually been sitting here. This dirt and mud has been sitting here for a couple of years. So for the jet wash to get all this up so easily, I was super pleased with it. So this retractable hose works like a normal hose. You just pull it out as much as you want, and then you just sort of do a little pull and it sort of clicks, and then it will bring it back in for you. As you can see here, I've done it a bit stripy because I've not taken enough care, but I will go over it all so there won't be a single stripe left. It's just my fault, I'm sort of trying to rush it at this point, but you can't really do that with jet washing. But sometimes I feel like you have to do the slabs all one way and then go over it the opposite way, just so that there's no lines or anything like that. Also, if you can hear some chewing, the Cosmo the Dalmatian's decided to chew his bone right now and I can't get him to stop. Sorry about that. You can also clean your doors with it. Now this actually left my door sparkling. I've not been able to get it this clean for yonks.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, you're the rose in a garden.
Obviously the mud and dirt does flick up on all the windows, so I got a bit carried away and started doing all the windows and also the furniture out here too.
You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
This is the final result of how the patio is looking. It's still a tiny bit wet, but it is looking so amazing now. It looks so much better. Cat's come back. It looks so much better. Right, I'm all done with my jet washer and I'm just going to pull this and let it bring it in. That's so easy. What a beautiful day. Now it's time to get out the hose reel, and this is what I'm carrying now, and it's just a very simple, you can put it on the wall or just have it like this until you sort of work out where you want it, and these are all the different settings that it does. As you can see, there's a few different options like jet, mist and shower, and I'm just going to plug it in now and demonstrate how they all work. Obviously it's good to be able to have the options of different power settings because you might want different to watering the plants as you do watering your lawn or, you know, doing anything else. Right, I've tucked them away in there for the time being. Now I bought these plants and I'm just going to put them in the plant pot and put them on the patio just to brighten it up even more. Just getting some compost out of this old one and putting it in this new plant. So guys, thank you so much for watching this patio makeover and garden makeover. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it's given you a little taste of what the summer weather's going to be like now the sun's shining or starting to shine. It just lifts the mood, doesn't it? But yeah, thank you so much for watching. As always, please do subscribe as it really helps, and I'll see you next time. Bye!